I am recording. Check out that baby. Cute as hell. Hiccups, cute as hell. He's so cute. I can't even stand it.
You looking at mommy?
Say hi, mommy. Aww. Aww. Mr. Maximus.
See, my name is Silas.
I'm gonna call him Max.
You could do that when he's older so he doesn't get confused. You don't have to keep recording. I just wanted a couple hiccups on video.
No, look at him, look at him. Look at him. He's just straight staring into your eyes. I know who you are. I know who you are. Aww.
I puke in my mouth when these times. I just can't stop kissing you.
Aww. That was a good one. Ooh. An award for the cutest baby in the world goes to Chris I. Love you, buddy.